Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 8 English grammar textbook chapter 12 and that is synthesis of sentences. Synthesis means joining two or more sentences into one sentence. We use a conjunction in order to combine two given sentences. In this unit we shall study how different conjunction can be used to combine the given sentences like and, as well as, both, and, not only but also. My dear student, the conjunction and adds one statement to the another, but as well as, both, not only but also is used as the same verb, but they make the statement emphatic. We use but to express a contrast between one statement and the other, and we use yet, still, only, nevertheless to make the statement more emphatic. Now, here is the exercise 12.1. Question number first. Join each pair of sentence using the given conjunction. First, the days in winter are shorter, the nights are longer. In bracket, we have but, and the answer is the days in winter are shorter, but the nights are longer. We use but because it expresses a contrast between one statement to the another, so we take but. Second, I put the luggage in. The train started scarcely when. We have two clues, scarcely, when, and we choose one. Both the meaning of are same, and we choose this statement like this conjunctions scarcely and when for make the statement more emphatic. So the correct sentence is scarcely had I put the luggage in when the train started. I shall finish my homework. I shall go out to play as soon as. And the correct answer is as soon as I finish my homework, I shall go out to play. Fourth, he was very rude. I will not punish him. And the correct sentence is he was very rude, all the same I will not punish him. Next one is I have no problem. I could not sleep well last night only, and the correct sentence is I have no problem, only I could not sleep well last night. Next one is I have pain in my head, I have pain in my stomach, and in a bracket we have a both and clue. I have pain in both my head and stomach. Next, she lost her ticket, she lost her luggage, and in bracket we have two conjunctions, not only but also, and the correct sentence is she lost not only her ticket but also her luggage. My dear students, we use not only and but also to make the statement emphatic, and it also add one statement to the another. He did not come. He did not send any letter. In bracket we have two conjunction, neither nor, and the correct sentence is he neither came nor sent any letter. She heard the news of her mother's illness. She began to weep bitterly. In bracket we have hardly and when, and the answer is hardly had she heard the news of her mother's illness when she began to weep bitterly. 10th, I was not feeling well. Therefore, I could not attend the meeting, and the answer is I was not feeling well. Therefore, I could not attend the meeting. 11. You are very late. You won't be able to catch the train. Since you are very late, you won't be able to catch the train. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your notebook. Now we have exercise 12.2. Question number first. Join each pair of sentences using a suitable relative pronoun. First one is, this is the house, Jack built it. And the answer is, this is the house that Jack built. My dear students, relative pronouns are those pronouns which can join by the using sentence. Like for person, we use who, whom, whose, and for things and animals, we use which and that. Relative pronouns refer to the noun or pronoun going before it. Therefore, the verb used with it must agree with the number and the person of that noun or pronoun. Second one is, I met a boy. He was very intelligent. And the answer is, I met a boy who was very intelligent. My dear student, we use who because it refers the person. Boy is the person, so we use who. Third, this is the path. He came by this path. In this statement, we add that because it refers the things and the path is things. So the correct sentence is, this is the path that he came by. Fourth, the horse was lame. We saw the horse. The answer is, the horse that we saw was lame. My dear student, we use that because horse is the animals. Whenever we use the animals' names and things in a relatives pronouns, we add that. We got into a bush. It was full of people. And the answer is, we got into a bus that was full of people. 6. We met a girl. The girl had lost her way. And the answer is, we met a girl who had lost her way. 7. The boy is my cousin. You see him there. The boy whom you see there is my cousin. 8. Here is the doctor. He cured me of malaria. And the answer is, here is the doctor who cured me of malaria. We use who because doctor is a person. 9. Can I borrow the book? You are reading it. Book is thing, so we use that, and the correct sentence is, can I borrow the book that you are reading? 10th, I heard a song. The song was very touching. And the answer is, I heard a song that was very touching. 11th, the thief stole my bike. He has been arrested. The thief who stole my bike has been arrested. 12. The ladies have arrived. I was speaking of them. The ladies who I was speaking of have arrived. 13. Here is the book. You were asking for the book. Here is the book that you were asking for. 14. This is the building. It was built in a single month. And the sentence is, this is the building that was built in a single month. 15. Please show me the road. The road leads to Delhi. Please show me the road that leads to Delhi. 16. I heard some news. The news really atonized me. I heard some news that really atonized me. 17. The grapes are very sweet. My uncle brought them. The grapes that my uncle had brought were very sweet. 18. The letter reached me this morning. You sent the letter, and the answer is, the letter that you had sent reached me this morning. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. My dear students, that's all about this chapter. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Till that, keep practicing of English grammar. I hope you all do it. Thank you so much.